Hello beautiful, welcome back. I hope you are doing well. Hi, I missed you. Everything you saw so far on my channel, it was pre-filmed, and it's crazy because I filmed all those videos a month ago, more than a month ago. Oh my god. And due to my work I didn't have time to edit them, but now I have some free time on my hands and I'm going to film as much as I can. Last week I posted two videos. Two videos. Today is Tuesday, I don't know, and I posted the video, so I'm going to post another video on Friday. So yeah, I'm going to have a little more time on my hands to film and to edit, and I'm going to talk about what's going on in the world right now. We all know we are facing a pandemic, and also with the Black Lives Matter. I don't understand racism. I don't understand. And I was raised in a family where there wasn't any racism, and I know there's like a few cases, like happy cases like mine, and honestly I can't comprehend racism. Like, why? Anyway, I encourage all of you to be a part of this movement, Black Lives Matter. I'm going to have a link down below where you can donate, sign petitions, bring awareness. If you guys can donate, please do so. No matter the amount you want to donate, everything helps. So please donate if you can. If you can't donate, please sign petitions. It takes like 2 minutes to sign a petition. So please do so. Let's all be a part of this change. A change that must happen now. Now is the time for the change. Obviously, this have been happening for so long, but because now is brought to our attention through social media, it's not just because what happened to George Floyd. This Black Lives Matter movement started in 2013, if I'm not wrong. I don't know exactly. But we need to do something about this. This must stop. Police brutality. I had absolutely no idea this is a thing in America. They don't play that on the news. Also, they don't play that when they say how great America is. Aren't they? No. Please do your heart. Yeah, I'm speaking from my heart now, but please do your part and let's all help Black Lives Matter. And I know you may say, all lives matter. Yeah, obviously, but bitch, is your life in danger? No. You don't go to the grocery thinking that your skin color can get you killed. No, it's not the case, okay? So that's why Black lives matter. They are in danger, not you, white folk. So, with that being said, I'm going to continue with my video. So please remember that I'm going to have the links down below. Please check them out. So today I'm going to unbox the May and June Lookfantastic boxes. I haven't had time to film the May one, and if I have to film the June one, I'm going to do it all together. So this video is already long, judging by my intro. Okay, so if you guys want to see what I got in May box and also in June box, then keep on watching. So I'm going to start with May. I have no idea what they sent. Sometimes I do go on their Instagram page and I kinda, take a sneak peek, but I haven't had time to do so. So this is how the box looks like. It's so cute. Alright. Oh, I really like this color. It's not a Tiffany blue, it's more like a greenish Tiffany blue. Get lost in the wilderness, you were born to be free. So this is the info pamphlet, magazine, card, whatever. We have quite a few interesting products. So I guess I'm going to start with this one. This is by the brand Magnitone. It says wipe out, eco-friendly microfiber. So this is a cloth. It has some images here. This is worth £10 and it says, let this Magnitone cleansing cloth remove your makeup with just warm water. I do have the halo around things. I don't know exactly the name. I don't really use them. I mean, I like to use those when I do a face mask or, you know, whoop. But yeah, I use them from time to time. This feels super nice, super soft. Wow, and is thick. It has a very nice size, like this could cover my entire face. Wait a second. Oh, so they have a variety of products. That's very nice. I haven't heard of this brand before. They also have skincare. Supernaturals. Wow. So, very interesting. I really want to give this a try. Okay, next I'm going to go with this Eyeko. Yeah, Eyeko. This is the brow gel. Style and Define. This is worth £10. This brow gel tames unruly eyebrows and provides long-lasting hold without flakiness or stiffness. Infused with beneficial ingredients including keratin and ginkgo biloba to condition and thicken the hairs. Okay, I'm excited to try this. I do have the Anastasia one. I'm not really a fan because that kind of flakes. And wow, the one is so tiny. I don't know what color I got. Let's see. No, it doesn't say. So I guess this is universal. Let's see. Oh, it has that jelly texture kinda. And it's like tinted. It's not really a color. Moving on. I'm going to move a little bit faster because I still have another one to open. This is the Dr. Lipp Tint Sweet Potato Pigment. What? Sweet Potato Pigment. 100% natural. This is worth £3. It has 3 milliliters, and also I'm seeing that is not tested on animals. That's a plus. It says get a subtle pop of color and ultra hydration with this lip tint, a tinted balm made with just 4 natural ingredients. Lanolin gives the balm its moisturizing properties. Sweet potatoes provide the tint. 100% natural and cruelty free. This balm will leave your lips super soft. Let me smell it. Oh, so tiny, so cute. Oh, it's super thick. It looks like it's pink. Oh yeah, it's very thick. It smells like Vaseline. Next I'm going to go with this Balance Me. I know I have something from this brand, or I had. It says Hyaluronic Plumping Mist 99.9 natural, created to effectively quench, plump, brighten and rejuvenate skin throughout the day. Okay. This is worth £10 and it has 10 milliliters. Designed to replace a toner in your skincare routine, fix makeup in place and refresh your face throughout the day. I'm going to try this right now on my face because I'm curious to see how this smells. I'm going to cover my necklace because it's not real gold and this can get dark if I spray anything on it. My cat just woke up and it's here. She wants to play. I'm going to spray this. Oh, smells like plants. Okay. Oh, yeah, I feel rejuvenated. I have 2 more products to go, and I'm going to go with this Hydra Biomi from Course. This is the Probiotic Superdose Face Mask. With real Greek yogurt, anti-pollution, microbiome friendly technology. It's sealed, so I'm not gonna open this. That spray doesn't taste good. This retails for £9.40 and it says suitable for all skin types but especially great for sensitive skin. This Course face mask soothes, hydrates and cools for the ultimate pampering, nourishing feel. That doesn't taste good. No bueno para comer. This is interesting. We have the Avant. This is the Hyaluronic Sweet Almond Sweeter shea butter. Ultimate hyaluronic acid resurfacing duo moisturizer. Okay. This retails for oh my god. Oh my god. 50 milliliters. Yeah, this has 50 milliliters. This retails for 100 pounds. You guys. Maybe they meant to say 10 pounds. I don't know. 100 pounds? What is it? You see that? 100. What in the Avant? You better work. This is sealed. I'm not gonna open this. 100. Okay, it says, get a bright and smooth complexion with the help of this rich anti-aging moisturizer. Formulated with hyaluronic acid, shea butter, and sweet almond oils. It said oils. Sweet almond sweeter. Anyway, sweet almond oils to tighten and firm for a more youthful complexion. Oh my god, yes, Avant. I hope you work. I hope you work. So yeah, this was all I got in the May box. I'm going to put everything back in because I don't want to mix, even though I do have the cards. And I feel some, I don't know, it kind of tingles. This little hyaluronic plumping mist. I guess that's the plumping effect, but I got that in my mouth and it doesn't taste good. So, nice products in the May box. So this was the Botanical edition. Very cute. I really love this greenish theme. Oh, we have a makeup bag. What is this egg? This green egg. This is so cute. You can see all the products and oh my god, we get another Polar SPF cream. I do have the 30 SPF. This is 50. Anyway, let me open this. The bag is really nice. It says Lookfantastic Beauty Box. Okay, right here. It feels very nice. It doesn't smell bad, which is amazing. Alright, so I found the prices on Lookfantastic Spain. They are in euro. So I'm going to start with this one right here. This is the Everything Mask, the color locking, multitasking, deep conditioning treatment for every hair color. Josh Wood color. This one retails for 8 euros. So it has 30 milliliters and I want to smell it. Oh, it's sealed. I'm going to open this because I think I'm going to use it tonight. So this is a hair mask. Oh, it smells like grapes. It smells good. Not a fan, but doesn't smell bad either. So this is the first product. Next I'm going to go with the glove brush. This is by the brand Glove Rainbow Drop Brush. This is a detangled brush. I know I have something similar from a different brand. This retails for 12 euros and you can use this in the shower as well. I don't really like the shape, but they are good. So yeah, I really like the color though. Next I'm going to go with the lip balm. This is a lip protection and care. SPF 30. High protection with argan oil and shea butter. This is from the brand Ultra Sun Professional Protection. This retails for 10 euros. It looks like this and it smells good. Yeah, it smells good. Alright, 3 more products to go. I'm going to go with the Polar. This is the Sun Lotion Very High Protection. This has 20 milliliters and is 50 plus UVA and UVB protection. And this retails for 14 euros and 60 cents. So as I said, I have the 30 SPF. It's really good. I do use it every day and I have a little bit left. And this one, it smells like SPF but not really. So this one is not fragrance free. I want to smell this one. Even though it's sealed, I'm going to open it. So you thought now was the perfect time to play with your toy, right? No. this doesn't smell. So this is really fragrance free, which is very nice because I know a lot of people is sensitive to fragrance in skincare, so that's very nice. As I said, this is 14 euros and 60 cents. Very affordable, even though you get only 20 milliliters in here. I think this will last you the whole summer, maybe, I don't know, but I mean, it's fragrance free, but it still has that SPF scent. Meh, I don't like that. Okay, next I'm going to go with this Meltone Brown, and we got I almost poked my eye, oh my god. So we got a sneak peek on the May info card. You see, this is the one. This retails £10 and is the Coastal Cypress and Shea Fennel Bath Shower Gel. This luxurious body wash will leave your skin feeling fresh, pampered and smelling amazing. I know we got one in a different box, but it was yellow and that smelled like no. And it has 100 milliliters. Let's smell it. It smells exactly like cheap man fragrance. Melton Brown, you're not gonna fool me with uniquely and delicately scented. Are you kidding me? Like, this smells exactly like a cheap fragrance for men. Anyway, exactly like the other one, like the yellow one. Okay, Melton Brown, who you trying to fool here? Okay, so last but not least, we have a Aroma Blend Calming Mask. Sounds interesting. This is by the brand Shangri. Spa Care System. Everlasting Flower Water, Chamomile Oil and Neroli Oil. This is worth 8 euros. Infused with neroli and professionally blended aroma oils, this relaxing mask calms and soothes your skin, revealing a healthier and softer skin. Okay, so this is a face mask. So yeah, as I said, this entire box is worth over 75 euros. Okay, yeah, I guess that's it for this unboxing. I hope it's not too long. If it's too long, I'm sorry for that. And let me know what was your favorite box. I think I like the May a little bit more. I mean, this is nice too, but I guess the product selection is not that interesting. We got more interesting products in the May box, but I still want to try the hair mask and that face mask, and also I'm glad that they sent an SPF cream. So overall, I'm excited to try all the products, but I'm more excited for the May box, as I said. Anyway, they kind of have the same theme. You see, green on green on green on this green on then this green and more green. And, wow, my nails are not green anymore. I have a gel polish that it changed color by temperature, so right now my hands are cold. Alright guys, so I guess that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget that I put the links for the Black Lives Matter down below. Please sign the petitions. If you can't donate, it's okay, I understand. Not everyone has the possibility to donate, so if you can donate, please sign petitions. It only takes 2 minutes, trust me, or less than 2 minutes. So yeah, I guess I will see you in my next one. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care, bye.